చెప్పు.
Ishwar, be a good boy. Listen to your parents. Grow like a leader. So will get you. Your brother, more gifts. Love, Santa.
Okay, what did you expect from Santa? What gift are you expecting?
3, 11, 1. Bakugan, Monopoly, Scrabble, and Lucky.
What about you, Druhin? What are you expecting?
I forgot.
Sorry again?
I forgot it. Sorry, sliders.
No, you never said sorry sliders in your letters to Santa.
Sorry.
Sorry?
That is for Anna. Anna wished for that.
Is it multi-boxes?
Hmm?
Can I open the box?
No. You open yours.
No. First, what did you chat with Shanta when you came to my office? That time you chat with Shanta. What did you ask for?
Can I take a picture with you?
No, what did you ask for, Shanta? Tell me.
Monopoly.
Monopoly. So you only expect one thing, that is only Monopoly.
No.
And Anna is expecting a sorry. So Monopoly might send only one each one. That is one for you, Monopoly, and other sorry for Druhin. Okay?
And look, you already have
If you behave good.
Bakugan presents. See? These are his Bakugan presents. Here is inside it's a very big mat that we folded up, and here are all his Bakugans that he got from Santa and his friends.
So Santa sent to Aruna auntie's house and Aruna auntie brought it to you. Okay? Ooh.
This is how it looks like.
Oh man.
This.
Bakugan. Where is your face? I cannot see your
You
face.
don't have to.
Okay.
So I'll put it up now. You ready to open your present that Santa gave you?
Oh, please.
No.
Okay, where is your letter? You have written the letter to Santa with your wish list. Where is that? Ishwar, tell me, where is that wish list? Shanta took it?
Yeah.
In the night?
He'll take it and then he'll complete giving all the presents that he wasn't able to give earlier.
Okay, what did you offer?
To remember.
Oh.
Remember you said to Santa you only want Monopoly? So he brought Monopoly. He didn't bring anything else for you. So he took the letter and he was going to give to you later.
Ishu, what did you offer in the night for Santa? Did you offer something?
Cracker clothes.
No, what did you offer? First tell me.
Christmas tree.
Ishwar.
Happy Christmas tree.
Okay, no. Did you offer something food to Santa?
Cookies and milk.
Cookies and milk? Where are they now?
He ate them. We put in the sink.
Oh, he ate them?
Yeah.
Oh, and he gave you the gifts?
Yeah.
Can you open the gifts and show me?
Your gift.
First, open your gift. What do you...
This means a lot to me.
it is.
Still going on. Oh, it's still going on.
Can you sit there, please?
Sit next to that Christmas tree.
Hi, Sad. No.
Drishin, you both of you open yourselves.
Wish for you.
Can you read what Shanta written? Dhruv?
Druhin, you are my dearest
Ah.
friend.
Mm.
You are my dearest.
Dearest son.
Okay.
Make a mark in the world history. Love, Santa.
Oh, so you're going to make a mark in the world history with your hard working and efforts. Something you have to do, man. Santa has hopes on you. Can you sit close to the tree so that both of you come in
What
there?
did I give you?
Monopoly.
Wow, really?
What did I get?
Man! Woman! Wow, Ishu! Wow! Ishu, Anna, see what Anna got?
Sorry.
Oh my God! How does Santa know that you wish for Monopoly and Drew you wish for sorry?
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! How does he
Life, you told Santa that day in Mom's office that you only wanted Monopoly. Remember?
Oh yeah.
It's going to come later. Life is going to come later.
I don't want life.
Do you not?
I want life.
Later.
Later, if you behave well with mom, Santa send it through mom. And keep Christmas tree so that Santa will come and keep one day, one each and every day.
Or
Okay.
when he gets time.
When he gets time, okay? If you behave well only.
Open it carefully. No,
You can open, Ruhin.
I'm examining the package.
You don't have to open carefully.
Okay.
Make sure the box doesn't get cut when you open it.
Yeah, the box.
Both of you sit together, please. Sit together. You should go on close. Sit on.
Stop. Plan a family game night. Oh.
You should sit with Anna. Anna mundur kuchu.
This is 6 plus. That is 8 plus.
Thank you, thank you, Jappa.
Thank you.
Thank you, Santa.
Thank you, dear Santa.
Polite చెప్పాలి.
Thank you, dear Santa, and the deers.
Okay.
Reindeers.
Yeah,
Thank you, Santa.
Can I open it?
But I'm not sure if you'll understand Monopoly. It is 8 plus.
This is not the darkest kind, I think.
This is a new one. This is the latest Monopoly out there. Open it carefully, okay?
I know. It's almost like dishes. But the board seemed...
But remember, you have...
The board seemed like... See, darts, I think. This is different.
You like this?
Yeah.
This is the original Monopoly.
Why did they give you extra dice?
No, you don't. There's the dice that you have to give for Monopoly, not for anything else. And remember, everything goes here, okay? Nothing gets out. This is all
The ship. That's my favorite. The ship.
the money, the chance
It's a
cards.
penguin. It's a human. It's supposed to be a human. Yeah.
These are different. Neatly put this after you're done.
Okay, open this.
Shanta might send electronic